Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick 2. This video will be a tutorial. We will show you how you inject the SIM tray, insert SIM card, move SIM card from one phone to another, and also if you want to add more storage by adding SD card. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't, give me a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's find out. Now first of all, you are required to have a SIM ejector tool. Something's gonna look like this. You can find one on the box when you purchase the phone. Check the box if you bought new phone. And also if you don't, you can use paper clip, a pin, needle, anything will fit the hole in the SIM tray. Also, it's optional if you want to add SD card for more storage, and we need the SIM card. Normally, if you buy the phone through TracFone or by Verizon, the SIM is pre-installed, but if you're willing to switch your SIM card from your old phone to a new phone, then you need to inject the SIM tray, remove the SIM card, and put the old one that has your cell phone number. Second, you will need now to go to the left on the phone, and this will be the SIM tray, and you will see a hole, and this hole where we need exactly to bring the SIM ejector tool, and we have to insert and just push in, and the SIM tray should go out. Now in your nails, your fingers, just pull out the SIM tray. Now the SIM tray has two faces. One should be this side where it says this side is up, and that must face the screen when you insert the SIM card, and the bottom, so we need this to face the back of the phone. Now let's bring the SIM card. When you insert the SIM card, you make sure to match the curve over here, so the curve match the curve and has to be nice and tight. If you flip it down like this, it's not gonna fall. Also make sure the numbers of the SIM card also has to be face up. Same thing with the SD card. The size of the memory card itself also has to be face up. And just put it the same way I'm putting the memory card, nice and tight like this. Let me just grab the SIM, put the SIM. Make sure both nice and flat like this. Then grab your phone and start inserting the SIM and the SD card, and be careful because sometimes if you wiggle, maybe the SIM card might pop up and then you ended up with jamming the SIM card inside the phone. You don't want something like this happen, and it seems to me the SIM tray in this phone is very delicate, so be careful when you insert. Just like this, and then push it all the way in. Now if it doesn't go smooth, make sure to pull it out and make sure everything is nice and flat, and then insert. It should go nice and smooth. Normally we recommend to reboot the phone when you insert SIM card and SD card, and if you have an active service and the phone is compatible, you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it did, you can subscribe and give me thumbs up on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we will talk to you in another video.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up.